The German army is actively developing new versions of military equipment, weapons, aircraft, and more. Moreover, in these developments, the most modern technologies and systems are used. They really take a huge step ahead of other armies in the world. And today we have prepared for you a selection of the 10 latest military developments of the German army. You are on the Caro Show channel. Enjoy watching. Kf41 Links. The German company Rheinmetall tested the Kf41 Link's infantry fighting vehicle with Spike anti-tank missiles. The BMP was introduced in 2018. Rheinmetall has spent several years integrating Spike anti-tank guided missiles. The Spike anti-tank guided missile system is used to destroy armored vehicles, fortifications, and manpower. The firing range is from 200 meters to 5 kilometers. The anti-tank missile system is also used in ships, helicopters, and is available in a portable version. As for the Kf41 Link's infantry fighting vehicle, its main armament is the Lance turret, equipped with a cannon and a launcher for anti-tank missiles of 30 or 35 millimeters caliber. The troop compartment accommodates 12 fighters, including 3 crew members. The infantry fighting vehicle is designed using modern technologies that increase the protection of the vehicle. Modular armor, active systems, and situational awareness. Lynx provides crew protection against a variety of threats, including mines and improvised explosive devices, shelling, cluster munitions, and anti-tank guided missiles. Ntter 7.62. Rheinmetall has unveiled a futuristic remote-controlled combat module, Ntter 7.62. The modular design of the Ntter 7.62 allows the integration of different mounting kits to accommodate machine guns of different calibers. The Ntter 7.62 combat module was designed for use on trucks, taking into account the permissible load on the roof with a maximum weight of 105 kilograms. The stations use carbon-based mounting technology that reduces weight and vibration. The use of the Ntter 7.62 weapons kit with a modular design allows you to significantly increase the combat capability of vehicles during their modernization. Ntter 7.62 has an all-weather sensor system. The characteristics of this system allow using digital image processing to simultaneously display several targets on the operator's monitor screen. The combat module also has a high first strike probability, high angular accuracy, speed, and a self-stabilized platform. The station has both manual and automatic target tracking. HX3. The German company Rheinmetall in 2021 introduced a new family of HX3 military trucks developed and produced under the existing Rheinmetall and its joint venture military vehicles. The new generation of HX military vehicles is designed for both logistical operations and tactical scenarios. Trucks of the HX3 family will be available in 4x4, 6x6, 8x8, and 10x10 variants. In addition to the robust chassis, powerful engine, and short CF gearing, a new active rear axle suspension will be available as an option, which significantly improves performance vehicle when driving both on the road and off-road. Military logistics is the main purpose of the HX3 family, and yet, more than ever, the new model range is capable of serving as a carrier of sophisticated weapons and radar systems. These include, for example, artillery systems based on multi-axle chassis, which are likely to become dominant in the coming years. As an option, HX3 trucks can be equipped with an armored cab, the level of protection of which can be increased in a modular way. The cabin accommodates the driver and 2 passengers. Vehicles can be equipped with a roof-mounted Rheinmetall Snake remotely controlled weapon station. What do you think about HX3? Write in the comments. GSD Lua. Currently, in the interests of the Bundeswehr, a promising, airborne armored combat vehicle GSD Lua is being developed. In the future, she will have to enter service with the airborne units, and replace the aging equipment of the Weasel family. The presented GSD Lua product is a compact and lightweight armored vehicle with the ability to install the necessary equipment or weapons. In accordance with the requirements of the customer, the combat weight of the vehicle does not exceed 6.2 of a ton. The length is 4 and 2 meters. The width is 2 meters. The height depends on the type of combat module and suspension mode. The minimum height of the current prototype is only 1 meter 85 centimeters. The machine will be equipped with a hybrid power plant, and its main armament will be an uninhabited combat module with a 27mm automatic cannon. The crew of the GSD Lua consists of only 2 people. The driver is located in front of the habitable compartment. Behind him is the workplace of the commander of the operator, with instruments corresponding to the payload. To increase cross-country ability and reduce vulnerability, an original undercarriage with 2 pairs of tracks was used. The front pair of such propellers has 3 road wheels on board and a front drive wheel. Persistent Surveillance System. The innovative and field-proven PSS Continuous Surveillance System provides users with efficient and intelligent surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. PSS improves situational awareness by reducing the time it takes to make critical decisions based on real-time information. Highly mobile and easy to deploy, the PSS offers unrivaled protection over risk areas and is ideal for tactical surveillance in the military, border, coastal, energy, and public safety sectors, such as, for example, operational bases, oil facilities, and power plants. PSS consists of a modular and scalable system that can be easily customized to meet specific needs and further expanded as operational requirements change. The main components of the system include a permanent observation balloon, a permanent observation tower, ground control stations, as well as software for command and control. Persistent Surveillance served as a test case, demonstrating the ability it has proven in Afghanistan, Iraq, and other operational environments to provide a continuous view for immediate situational awareness, as well as a valuable tool for forensic tracking. Rosie. This is a brand new rapid deployment curtain system from Rheinmetall Defense to protect vehicles from all types of weapons in the line of sight, such as small arms, RPGs, and laser-guided weapons. Rosie can be easily installed on any vehicle with a one-click adapter. Rosie's unique new smoke screening system protects light military and civilian vehicles from unexpected attacks, including during patrols or when moving in columns. Smoke projectiles create an instant dense wall of smoke that hides the vehicle and its occupants and greatly reduces the risk of being hit by an enemy. With built-in capabilities, Rosie effectively counters conventional weapons, weapons with optical devices, and laser rangefinder. Rosie was integrated into the Themis Combat unmanned ground vehicle and deployed by the soldiers of the Latvian Armed Forces during the second demonstration of the European project Defense Industrial Development Program Integrated Modular Unmanned Ground System. Boxer Cobra. The Boxer Cobra is a wheeled armored vehicle that can be set up and rolled over any terrain in about 5 minutes. The German defense company Rheinmetall developed the Boxer bridge layer based on the ideas of the Engineer Regiment of the Royal Netherlands Army. This capability allows the armed forces to quickly launch and restore bridges with military load classification MLC 50 or 15 meters in length. The system launches the Cobra bridge in front of the vehicle and is modular, which means it can be attached and removed as needed while maintaining the full functionality and flexibility of the Boxer for other missions. The newly developed Cobra is a flexible modern solution for wheeled and tracked medium-weight armored vehicles. Due to its special design, the bridge can be modified according to the requirements of the customer and the intended vehicle. The installation and folding of the bridge takes less than 2 minutes. Tracked Boxer HX3. The German company Kf41 presented at the Eurosatory 2022 exhibition a tracked version of the Boxer HX3 multi-purpose wheeled armored vehicle and a new module with a 120mm L44 gun. The track Boxer has the same modularity as the wheeled Boxer, as it can use all the modules designed for the wheeled version. Crawler Boaxier Technology Demonstrator. Thus, this is a demonstration of the development of KMW's production capabilities, and not the final prototype developed for a particular customer. Although KMW calls its new machine the Track Boxer, the chassis section does not share any components with the wheeled vehicle, but the concept is the same. Both wheeled and tracked Boxers have a special compartment on the body in which different modules are installed. These modules can be freely moved between tracked and wheeled versions. All mechanical and electrical interfaces are the same. However, of course, it is necessary to take into account the different carrying capacity of the wheeled and tracked chassis. Kf51 Panther. At the Eurosatory 2022 exhibition held recently in Paris, the well-known German company Rheinmetall demonstrated the concept of its new next-generation tank, the Kf51 Panther. The base for the Kf51 is the Leopard 2 tank, but compared to its predecessor, the new vehicle is smaller and lighter, combined with increased combat capability. When creating the Kf51 Panther, Rheinmetall did everything in accordance with NATO requirements. The tank has elements that allow it to be included in a single network combat control system. It is capable of launching drones and sharing reconnaissance results with other units, and the computer system used in the Kf51 tank has a large supply of computing power, which will make it possible to introduce artificial intelligence systems into the bottom in the future. The main attraction of the Kf51 tank is a 130mm smoothbore gun and an automatic loader with a capacity of 20 shells. In addition to traditional types of projectiles, the gun can fire projectiles with increased kinetic energy, GPS-controlled projectiles, projectiles with a programmable detonation range, and so on. Future Combat Air System. Germany, France, and Spain are creating a prototype combat aircraft of the future. An agreement to build a prototype combat aircraft as part of Europe's largest defense project was signed in Paris in 2020. The signing of the agreement is the first important step towards the construction of an aircraft that by 2040 should replace the multipurpose German Tornado aircraft and the European Typhoon fighters. The air combat system of the future FCAs involves the construction of not only individual combat aircraft, but also an entire system, including accompanying drone detachments, flagship patrol aircraft, ground stations, and satellites. The entire complex of systems must exchange data in real time. The total cost of the project is estimated at up to 50 billion euros. The first prototype aircraft is expected to make its first flight in 2027. That's all for now. Which German military development did you like the most? Write in the comments. Also subscribe to the Caro Show channel and watch our previous videos. Goodbye.